Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car discoverable and the phone ready. Turn the ignition to ACC or start the engine so Uconnect powers up. This prevents sleep interruptions. On your iPhone, go to Settings Bluetooth and keep the screen unlocked so pairing prompts appear. In the Jeep, press the Phone or Settings button to enter Bluetooth pairing. Choose Add Device or Pair New. Once done, watch both screens for the Jeep name to appear on your iPhone and tap it to begin pairing. You now confirm the handshake between devices. When a numeric code appears on both screens, verify they match and accept on each device to establish trust. Make sure to allow contacts and favorites sync if you want hands-free calling and caller ID to work smoothly. Next, pick the media source in Uconnect, choose Bluetooth audio for wireless music, or plug into USB for charging and better metadata. Once done, test a call and play a song to ensure audio. You finish by saving the iPhone as a paired or priority device in the Uconnect menu, so reconnection is automatic. Test outgoing and incoming calls plus music playback to verify microphone and steering controls respond. If it fails to reconnect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your iPhone, or perform a soft reset of the head unit by cycling power. One key troubleshooting tip. If audio is absent, confirm Uconnect's source selection and phone volume, then unpair and repair to clear old.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.